Packfrog makes it easy to receive encrypted confidential data, even from users that are not registered. If you want to receive data from customers, clients, or friends, just give them your email address. You can also give them your personal Packfrog address. You find that in the settings. Or, to make it even more convenient, just give them a direct link. In any way, your customers, clients, or friends won't need to register. Here's how it works. They simply go to the Packfrog website and drop the data onto the Packfrog window. They need to enter the email or Packfrog address and a few more details. This works on the web as well as on mobile devices. You can even integrate the Packfrog into your own website. Users will then be able to upload data without ever leaving your environment. We will show you in a different video. For now, thanks for watching, and may the frog be with you.